In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the wiggle text animation in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've added some basic text onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to go over to the Project tab over here, select the new item icon, select Adjustment Layer, and hit OK, and drag your adjustment layer onto your timeline and stretch it to match the duration of your text over here. Select the adjustment layer and come over to the Effects tab and search for turbulent displays and add it to your adjustment layer over here. Next, go over to Effects Control, set the amount to 15 and set the size to 15, and scroll down to Evolution option and scroll down and toggle on the stopwatch next to Random Speed and move the first keyframe to the start of your adjustment layer and change the value for random speed to 100. Remember that this affects the speed of the wiggle effect, so the higher value, the higher the speed. All you need to do is to hit Enter on your keyboard to render it. And that's it, guys, on how to create the wiggle text animation effect.